Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today was just one of those wow days at work. You know what I mean? Just one of those going so good and all of a sudden just disaster strikes. I'm not going to get into it. It's not important at this time. Got to leave work at work. So I figured why not come home to a little decompression. Started out with me a nice cup of coffee. And I thought, you know what, make me really feel a little better? I'm going to go out and work on a model today. Not just a model, my friends, but a model that I've had forever, and it's been sitting in a box, painted. Yeah, it's been just sitting there forever. So I thought, hey, you know what? And it's like freezing rain out there tonight. I take garbage out. It's like, wow. So come out in the room, crank the heat up. And I thought, whoo, let's work on this. Let's get it done. It's time. It's time to finish it. I'm going to flip this around and I'll show you what I got here. Like I say, I had the body painted. So get this. We went camping. This is like, I don't know, a year ago. Maybe 2 years. Probably a year ago, I think. And, sometimes I'm thinking, sometimes, camping's fun. I love it, But I thought, I'm going to stash this model in the back of the camper just in case I get bored. Something to do. And it was like pouring that day out. Just nasty out. I thought, what's there to do? Hey, I brought that model. I'm going to get it out and I'm going to decal it because the decal on this thing is a little extensive. So that's what I did. I decaled it and in the box it went, and it's been in there since I just pulled it out a few minutes ago. And when I was putting this room together in here, I forgot about it and I had it in the bottom of the pile. That I might put that together. So let me show you what I got, and we'll go from there. Yes, sir. The old Revell Muscle 06 Shelby GTH. For all those rental car fans out there, this could have been yours back in the day. So let me show you here. That's right. They be hating. Okay. The interior is all done. Except for the dash. I think the dash is here somewhere in the pile. I just kind of dumped it out. I had this in a tray. She's all painted up nice. I didn't even clear coat this. This is just Tester's airbrushed. I remember airbrushing this with Tester's. No clear coat on this, just the decals. Like I say, it turned out pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with that. And the chassis, so the hood. Everybody's here. The gang's all here. Even did the tires. They're the rims really nice. Got the Ford logo in there. I painted them a metallic. Don't remember. Did the chassis. Did just enough to make it happen. Nothing too extravagant. So I painted the axle rust because I work at the dealership and all these new cars that come in, half the stuff's not painted, and the stuff rust. That was a big thing. I don't know if guys remember with Ford pickups, people were complaining that the axles are rusting in the back, and oh my goodness. Well, it's because they never painted them. There's no reason to. I'm not going anywhere. So I figure, hey, I'll transfer that to my little model. So yeah, so we got all this, did the old Canon filter, and we got some chrome to fix up here, finish. Not really sure what's going on with that, but we got to clean it. Still got some bag parts. Tires need to be done, and got to put the hood pins in, all that good stuff. We got to put the inserts in the grill and do the headlight buckets. I think no, I didn't flat black. I think I flat blacked it at one time on the bottom, but I got to redo it because I realized I needed to. I think I repainted it is what happened. Anyways, so yeah, so we're gonna start putting this baby together and clear my throat here. We should be good. So let me get this going and we'll go from there. All right, guys. Haven't made too much progress tonight. I had to take a trip to the store. So I did a black wash on the chrome here. I got the white painted on the horse emblem. I'll let that dry and I can paint the other color. Did a little black insert wash for the headlight buckets. Then the other lower grill. So we put the old Tamiya clear orange for my markers. And over here we got the clear red drying. So once that dries a little bit more, we'll put the white in there for the backup light and kind of go from there. I was kind of figuring to have the grill done tonight, but just like usual, just running out of time. So, okay, just a short video. Hopefully next time we'll get more progress done on the car. Thanks for watching, guys.